I have opened a cross lock before. I took it off my patio door and brought it indoors, but I haven't opened one directly from the package. This is what I am now going to do. I have just got this one. Here it is. I have no idea at the moment how many pins there are inside, so I need to cut these keys open. Okay, and then just take a look at this key. Well, looking at this, there could be as many as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There could be 12 pins inside. Hey, there could be 6 pins inside. I've no idea yet. So I'm going to secure this. Move all of the rubbish. Right, I've now got my lock in the vise the right way around, and hopefully the camera will not be in the way of my attempt to pick. It's a 360-degree turn to get the key in, 180, 360, and to get the key back out again. It will not come out a quarter way round. So let's have a go. I think I'm going to use this here, and hopefully my fingers won't be in the way of the camera. Right, a little bit of pressure, and this will need to be picked 3 or 4 times, because each time it's picked it will only go 90 degrees or 1/4 of the way around. And in the meantime, everything is in the way of each other. I need to go from left to right. Okay, I've got movement there, and that's my tension wrench has fallen out. Okay, that's 1/4 turn. And now I just need to go top and left. There's a bit of movement there, something's set. And there we go again for the 2nd quarter. Now a 3rd quarter. It always happens. The pick gets in the way of the tension tool, and the tension tool gets in the way of the pick. something here on the left doesn't seem to want to set. The others should be all okay. Once again, the tension tool pops out. Oh, but we have movement, and that is now open. And now I just need to bring this one more time. Yes, it's not easy. And there it is. We are all the way around, and hopefully the key will now go in. So there we are, completely picked my cross lock from the packet.